Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a package from Scrapbook Pal. I do these obviously monthly because I do videos for Scrapbook Pal. Some of you know that and some of you might not know that. And so most of the things I get in here are things that I would use on a card or something for Scrapbook Pal. And so if you are not subscribed to them, I would suggest that you go on over because there's me and lots of other talented designers that do videos for them. And I'll have them linked down below. But yeah, I love Scrapbook Pal. They have great shipping and tons and tons and tons of things in the shop usually. And they're usually pretty fast with their shipping. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. So I started off with this one, Outside In Stitched Speech Bubbles. And I know a lot of the stuff that I got in here is not new necessarily, but so like I said, some of this will be used on some of those cards. I also got this fun set. This one is called Critter Chatter. So I like it because it's like meow and has meow, purr, meow, 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 and they're all in different like fonts. And then we have the dog, woof, woof, bark, bow, wow, aru, and woof. And then you got like a couple question marks in different fonts. We also have a couple of exclamation points. Then we have tweet, chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet, squawk, and chirp. Then we have splash, bloop, bloop, splish, splash, bloop, bloop. And then I love it because here it says translation, so this is what the animal would be saying. We've got translation in 2 different fonts. Happy birthday, I love you, hello, thanks, I appreciate you, hooray. Also, can I have a treat? And a lot. That's really cute. So I thought that was fun. I have a lot of their critter stamps. I also got this one. Now this is part of the reveal wheel. And I actually don't have the reveal wheel, so I'm going to try to remedy that. That was out of stock at the time, but the reveal wheel Spring Sentiments, and I liked it because here we have Hope, Your, and then Easter is, Spring is, and then we have the best, fun-filled, exciting, spectacular, hoppy, extra special. Because I know y'all probably know what the reveal wheel is, but for some of you that may not, the reveal wheel is one of those that you turn the side and there's an opening on the card. And as you turn it, it's going to give you a different, something different each time. So that's why the best, fun-filled, and exciting, or spectacular, hoppy, and extra special. Those could be on that reveal wheel when it turns. Mom, Your, and then Dad, Your, and then we've got number 1, So Loved, My Hero, a Rock Star. Have a very happy Mother's Day, Father's Day, Easter graduation. You did it. Take a bow. Nice going. Way to go. Cheers. So happy for you. Best wishes. Many congrats. Many congrats to you. Ever after. Excited to meet. Congrats on. And then your. And then, so it would be excited to meet your or congrats on your. Well, you wouldn't put little one in there, but for excited to meet your little one, baby girl, sweet pea, baby boy, bundle of joy, or baby. Mazel tov. It's a boy. It's a girl. What a cutie. Perfect. So that is that one. And then I got the Happy Father's Day die. This one is the Father's Day line border, and they have these in several different things, but I liked the little Father's Day. But you can kind of guess what card I may be making for them. Then we have this. This is What Say gift tags, or what say, my goodness, Say What gift tags. And I like these because this is supposed to be a like shaker card tag. And so you've got little stars, you've got little hearts, you also have like a speech bubble, and you have stitched heart. This is a stitched tag, but this one will cut out the center so you could lay them on top of each other and have it be a shaker tag. So that's cool. Then we also have, I had to get this because I'm on a Peekaboo freak out here. So this is the Peekaboo Pets, not new, but it has a dog, a cat, a chicken. This could probably be like a gopher or something. Not a gopher. Who has a pet gopher? A hamster, or I don't know, a ferret or something. You've got like a hedgehog, a sheep, a cow, a pig, and we've got thank you, it's your birthday, congrats, and oh yeah, and of course the matching die. So yeah. And then I did replenish some glue, so I wanted to try this one. I've never bought the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. This is not the Mono Multi where which comes in the green and white bottle, whereas this one is a regular glue, and it's also, once it dries, it's a tacky glue, so you can make repositionable things. This one is a straight up glue, and I believe it dries completely clear. So there's that. And then I got a paper pad. So let's open up our paper pad here. I like that they kept it nice and secure, so that way nothing happens to your paper pad as it's coming through the mail. And this one I don't believe is new either. It could be, but this is the Hello Sunshine Remix. So let's take a look at that one real quick. All right, so here's what the paper pad looks like on the inside. That's really cute. So they're tiny little hearts and things, just tiny little patterns here. We've got tiny little bees, little rainbows. That one's pretty. Of course, more rainbows. Some gray. Oh, that one. I like that one a lot. Then we have Oh Happy Day all over that one. And this one says Hello Sunshine. And then we start over. So it looks like you get 36, so it looks like, yeah, 3 sheets of 12 coordinating designs. So those are all your designs. So yeah, that is my haul. So like I said, keep an eye out for me over on Scrapbook Pal. I usually, in my community page, will link when I have a video up over there so that you can go check it out if it's something that you're interested in. But if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. All of these items will be linked in the description box down below, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye, everybody.